Imagine waking up to the aroma of perfectly fried eggs and fresh coffee, your floors spotless, laundry folded, and counters gleaming, all without lifting a finger. That's the revolutionary reality Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 promises for 2026. With its jaw-dropping cooking skills, human-like design, and marathon battery life set to cause a complete sellout. Elon Musk isn't just talking hype. This humanoid robot, blending Neuralink dreams with real-world robotics, tackles household drudgery head-on, freeing you for life's joys while operating 24/7 like an unstoppable partner. YouTube +1 NDTV +1. Household Focus revolutionizes daily life. Tesla zeroes in on chores because that's where robots prove indispensable. Kitchens messy with spills, living rooms cluttered with toys, bedrooms needing fresh sheets, not stun arenas. Optimus Gen 3 masters over 100 tasks daily, from slicing vegetables with precision to wrapping food parcels, all self-learned by imitating humans, turning chaos into calm overnight. Picture it frying eggs sunny side up, stirring pots without scorching, or serving meals hot. Skills demoed in Tesla videos that show it outperforming humans in consistency. Unlike gimmicky bots, Optimus vacuums rugs, wipes surfaces, sorts recyclables, and even takes out trash, handling the unglamorous grind that eats hours from your day. This homemaker ethos stems from Musk's vision. Robots must earn trust in homes before factories, starting with reliable basics like picking up toys or closing curtains intuitively. India's +2 YouTube +1. Hands and dexterity, the game changer. Musk calls the human hand robotics holy grail, and Optimus Gen 3 nails it with 22 degrees of freedom per hand. Fingers curling, thumbs opposing, actuators firing in milliseconds for sub 0.3 mm precision. These aren't clunky grippers. They cradle eggs without cracking, peel oranges flawlessly, spread butter evenly, or tear paper towels from rolls. Tasks that stump rivals. In demos, Gen 3's hands flex fully in under 250 milliseconds, twice Gen 2 speed, enabling it to open jars, pour drinks sans spills, or fold fitted sheets with finesse. Tesla invested heavily here because household work demands nuance. Delicate force for glassware, adaptive grip for wet sponges, continuous tweaks amid clutter. Competitors falter. Grabbing a slippery pan or dicing carrots requires the real brain of AI-driven torque loops that Optimus deploys effortlessly. YouTube +2 NPR. Learning smarter, adapting faster. Ditch rigid code. Optimus learns, like you, binging YouTube tutorials, practicing 16 hours daily in sim-to-real loops at Palo Alto Labs, trial and error refining every motion. It doesn't just spot a knife by shape. It knows it's for cutting, a pan for frying, adapting to your quirky kitchen layout, pet darting underfoot, or kid spilled juice. Tesla's AI-5 brain builds 3D home maps via cameras and sensors, reading your glance at dirty dishes or point to the floor as commands. No voice needed. Gen 3 UPS autonomy. Watches internet videos to mimic badminton swings or yoga poses if asked. But shines in chores like badminton? No, badminton's fun, but trash duty and pot stirring are daily wins. This functional smarts mean it thrives in unpredictable homes, not sterile labs, evolving via fleet data from thousands of units. NDTV +2 YouTube. Gen 3 design. Human-like, home-ready. Launching Q1 2026, Optimus Gen 3 boasts 70% human resemblance, smooth synthetic skin hiding joints, fluid strides at 8 km/h, 30% faster, and an OLED facial display flashing expressions for warmth. Grok voice chats casually, while lighter 138-pound frame, down from 160 pounds, sips energy for grace over bulk. Battery breakthrough. 6 kWh, 4,680 cells deliver 14 hours nonstop. Recharging in 2 hours. Fry breakfast. Clean all day. Prep dinner without plugging in. Gen 4 2027. Pushes to 22 hours. Hyperdexterous hands uncorking wine or piping frosting. But Gen 3's polish, natural poses, thumb abduction to 34 degrees. Makes it feel like family, not machine. Safety first. Distinguishes pets from furniture. Halts for sudden moves, ensuring kid-safe operation around the clock. YouTube +2 Brian Caldwell +1. Manufacturing muscle for mass appeal. Tesla recycles car, DNA, batteries, motors, AI chips, fleet software, to hit $20,000 price at 1M units/year from Fremont lines, scaling to billions like iPhones. Every Tesla's a robot on wheels, so Optimus leverages proven gigafactories for flawless volume, slashing costs as output explodes. Musk predicts 5x human productivity. No sleep, no burnout. Handling 3,000 household tasks yearly while you pursue passions. Annual upgrades, Gen 3 Basics, Gen 4 Endurance, Gen 5 Genius, mirror EVs, ensuring longevity and dropping prices further. This isn't elite tech. At scale, it ends unpaid labor burdens, especially for caregivers, boosting global economies 10-100x via free time, YouTube NPR. Why it crushes competitors in 2026. Atlas from Boston Dynamics backflips and hauls pianos with raw power. But peels? Laundry? It's lab-bound, not home-proof, lacking AI for adaptive chores. Optimus ties on actuators 500 kilograms lifts, but wins efficiency, walking steadily for homes versus Atlas acrobatics. Xpeng's iron bots flaunt solid-state batteries and chips, eyeing robot over car sales. Yet hardware alone skips Tesla's full-stack AI for safe cooking amid chaos. Optimus edges out. Practical humanoid form for human spaces, mass production, $20,000 affordability. Gen 3 sells out on cooking demos alone, like 5-minute meals or veggie chops. While rivals prototype, Tesla deploys 100-plus factory bots now. Thousands by 2026, proving scalability for your living room. 2026 bestseller? Undeniable. Utility trumps tricks, price beats premiums, upgrades seal loyalty. Optimus redefines homes forever. Gen 3, realistic and ready. Slated for early 2026 release, Optimus Gen 3 looks 70% human-like, with hidden joints, smooth skin, and fluid moves that feel comforting, not creepy. Picture an OLED face displaying expressions, Grok voice for chit-chat, and hands so refined they pour drinks flawlessly, making it a seamless family member. Battery lasts up to 7 hours initially, but Gen 4 jumps to 12, with faster steps and pinpoint dexterity for chores like uncorking bottles without spills. Scalable powerhouse. Tesla leverages car tech, batteries, motors, AI chips to slash cost to $20,000 at 1 million units yearly, cheaper than many kitchen remodels. Musk eyes ramps to billions annually, like smartphones, boosting productivity 5x by working 24/7 without burnout, freeing you for what matters. Every Tesla is already a robot on wheels, so Optimus scales effortlessly via proven factories, outpacing rivals stuck in prototypes. Beats the competition. Boston Dynamics Atlas flips and runs, but fumbles basics like peeling fruit, great for labs, useless for laundry. Chinese contenders like Xpeng pack fancy batteries, yet lack Tesla's full AI ecosystem for safe, adaptive home help. Optimus wins 2026 sales with practical design, affordability, and upgrades yearly. Gen 3 for basics, Gen 4 for pro-level tasks, all at prices that reshape daily life. This spot isn't hype, it's the future of effortless living, starting in your kitchen.